Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the mess. Oh, if y'all only knew. If y'all only knew. Anyways, if you're new here, hello. Welcome. My name's Rhonda and today we are unboxing the OFRA Cosmetics Premium. Oh yeah, you heard that right. Premium mystery box. I am so excited about this. I have not opened it. All I can tell you is it's freaking heavy, and the amount of product, $268 at least, is in this box. So anyways, hello, welcome. My name is Rhonda. Welcome to the judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we keep it cute or put it on mute. Your girl is very cup strong all day long, as you know, but I do feel like I kind of need another cup. I know, I'm not gonna. I am enjoying the new Built Bars. These things are freaking delicious. This is the birthday cake puff bars. I love them. So anyways, so if you want to save 10% on Built Bar, by the way, code HOTMESS. I know a lot of you guys use my code over and over and over again. Thank you guys bunches for that. Thank you to OFRA Cosmetics for sending this box over my way. I cannot freaking wait to see what's in it. But first, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support the channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of you all. Shout out to my thank you crew. You definitely don't have to help the channel out by hitting that thanks button, but you choose to, and again, I appreciate y'all so flippin' much. You're wondering why your girl's tired? Well, let me tell you, I have this thing called children, and this other thing called motherhood, and this other thing called freaking anxiety. And are like two of my children grown adults? Yes, but yet I never stop worrying. So my son had gone out the other night after work. Him and his buddies got together, guys bro night, whatever you want to call it, had a little shindig, like a bonfire thingy, grill out, and he got in late, but it was past my window of opportunity to sleep. So my brain was like tired. Oh, we're not sleeping. 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I don't do that often. Like typically I am like sleeper, but yeah, the brain getting excited for June 8th was just like in overdrive. So anyways, you're probably like, hey girl, can you just unbox this? We don't really care why you don't sleep, so sorry. Anyways, this is going to be available on May 24th, and I thought it would be fun to unbox it for the first time with you all. It feels so rusty. I think it's because I just need more sleep. Okay, so when we open it up, ooh, it's all nice. Oh, okay. So again, you're getting at least $268 worth of product. Now this is $99. However, I'm like reading the card. I don't do fast math. So this is $99. However, with coupon code HOTMESS, you're gonna get all of this that I'm about to show you for $79.20. You want to just go ahead and jump on in, because I'm going to just go ahead and probably upload this on the 23rd for y'all so you guys can see this. So one of my mother truckin' favorite things. Now again, this is curated. Each one's going to be different, but one of my most favorite things is the Tinseltown Trio. You all, I love the toppers. I love to mix all of these toppers together and use my palette with OFRA Cosmetics, which was part of last year's Project Influencers collection. I will use some of those nudie shades in there and then use these toppers. Absolutely gorgeous. Actually, I have a video somewhere on my channel where I'm creating that look. You are gonna love these toppers, and that's crazy to me. Okay, so this is also the next thing. Think pink set. This is in here. You're getting a blush and a lip gloss in here. The blush lighter is in the shade Cherish, and it is a corally pink golden glow type of blush. And then the lip gloss is in Love. Now I already have this, so I am gonna pass it along. They had sent me this in PR a while back, so I'm gonna go ahead and gift this to one of you all. Next in here, this is in the shade Chameleon. This one I don't have. Their blushers, you all, are flippin' amazing. When I tell you all, like, they're magical. It's like their blush. Okay, so ignore this. This is a eyeshadow swatch for the Heather Austin palette that I have on my lids right now. But this right here, this is the blush. It's like this beautiful, like, corally rose shade. I love this. This is one of those shades that are gonna be beautiful all year round. But the OFRA Cosmetics blushers, I'm telling you guys, they're magical because it's like they smooth the cheek out. I love them. Next in here, I mean, there's a lot going on here. Ooh, X's and Glow highlighter. Now I'll show you this, but I'm not going to swatch this because I do have this already in my collection. So this will be gifted to you all. This highlighter is beautiful. I think it's like 4 different shades you get in here. Yes, and you can mix them all together. They are so flippin' pretty. So like I said, you can individually get like each shade and use that as a highlighter, or you can swirl it all together and get a whole different color. And each time it could be like however you want. It's so pretty. Sometimes I will even just mix the two, like the pink and the lighter shade together, and it's gorgeous. These two shades are a little bit deeper, and I love to mix those together and like dust them in the summertime on my shoulder. So pretty. So yeah, these highlighters alone are like, what are they, like $30-some? Next in here, no way, we've got the Rodeo Drive highlighter. I'm shocked because we're still not done, y'all. We are still not done. So, oh, look how beautiful. I already have this one. Oh my gosh, wait. This is the Hills. I said this is it says Rodeo Drive, but it's in the Hills. This was probably part of the trio collection that they had. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the Hills highlighter I just think is absolutely stunning. I told you all that when it launched, literally just like last year. This is a brand new freaking highlighter that is in this premium mystery box. Mystery box. I mean, as we know, or maybe you don't know, OFRA Cosmetics is known for their highlighters. Like, their highlighters are next mother trucking level. They're freaking gorgeous. Next in here, we've got a long-lasting liquid lippy, and the shade is in Bestie. I don't think I have this one. It's more of like a nudie brown shade. Now, again, I feel like the other thing that they're known for are these liquid lips. The nice thing about their liquid lips is they're not like crusty and dusty whatsoever. Like, they're nice and nourishing. I don't have any issues with them. I had to think, do I have one on right now? Actually, I don't. Not this time. Not this time. But it is so pretty. All right, last in here, I'm wow. Okay, you got a pro palette in here. Are you joking me? As if all of that other stuff wasn't enough? Are you kidding? I don't have this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is amazing. Holy guacamole. I love these eyeshadow shades. Look at it. So this is a Glow Into Winter palette. You've got the Americano bronzer, Rodeo Drive highlighter. So you're literally getting 3 highlighters, and not one of them are the same. The blushers are not the same. You got a banana powder. You've got the essential, this is like a blusher, it looks like, Star Island, Pillow Talk. Like, you are okay, you're not just getting 3 highlighters. You're getting like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 highlighters. You're getting the banana powder. You're getting, oh my gosh, OFRA. This is insanity. $79 and change for all of this in this box. Okay, so the last time I unboxed their mystery box, it was a deluxe mystery box, and it was amazing. They stepped the game up and made it even better, if that was even possible. Holy moly, I'm so excited because I do not have this. I don't have this. I'm speechless. Can you believe that? This Gemini is speechless. Oh my gosh. This box, they're every time every time it gets better and better and better. So yeah, this is available May 24th. Highly recommend picking one up. Here's the thing, with this premium box, y'all, this could be flipping gifts. Like, yes, you could individually buy this box and give it as a gift at Christmas time, which would be a heck of a good deal. But this, the products, you get so many products in this box that the amount of gifts you could give, or multiple stocking stuffers you could stock. I'm always thinking Christmas. When you have a lot of kids, I feel like your brain is always in think of Christmas, save money kind of deal. And yeah, I mean, this alone would make an amazing gift. But then you're getting all, I'm shookity shocked. This is amazing. So if you are interested in picking it up, I'll have a link to OFRA's site down below. And again, code HOTMESS is going to save you 20%. And thank you if you do use that code, because just to keep it 100, try again, Rhonda. Just to keep it 100% transparent with you all, that code will earn me a little bit of a commission. And I'm so excited over that. If you are a makeup, not even just a makeup lover, but a makeup artist, I mean, look at that. Weddings, the shades down through here would be perfect for weddings. Fall colors, I mean, this is just absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And I think it's like well over a $90-some palette all by itself. So literally this palette alone pays for the whole box. Like, everything else is just, I'm shocked. Okay, I'm gonna go eat lunch. I am mind blown. Thank you, OFRA Cosmetics, for sending this over. I greatly appreciate it. Like I said, I will be doing a giveaway and including some of these products in a giveaway for you all, because let's share the love. You know what? Let's just make today's video a giveaway. So in today's giveaway, I'll just go ahead and this is what your products will be that you'll be winning. So yeah, why not? Why not share the love while I'm thinking about it? So anyways, I keep my giveaways super crazy easy. There's going to be a form in the description box for you guys to fill out. And FYI, the only way that you're going to know that you won is when this shows up at your door. Okay? So don't think I'm going to comment under your comment or anything like that in order for you guys to tell you guys you won. That's not how it works. In that form will be all the information that I need to send you these items for you to know that you won. It'll just show up at your door. I do ask that please be subscribed to the channel and stay subscribed. Don't be no shady person and like not even subscribe. Please don't do that. Leave a comment and let me know your favorite OFRA Cosmetics product. Have you tried out OFRA? Let me know down below. And like I said, if you want to pick this box up, easy peasy lemon squeezy, check it out. May 24th, code HOTMESS will save you 20% and get this box for you $79 and change. Can't beat that. So anywho, thank you once again to my YouTube members for absolutely everything. I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Thank you to my thank you crew, because you all are rock stars, and I just get mind blown every single time that I see one. And I'm sorry if I'm missing them. It has been a wild ride. May has been wild. So, and June is only more exciting. I mean, not only Gemini season right around the corner, I may be already by the time, no, I'm gonna try and get this up early, and I don't think Gemini season starts until, hold on, let me double check. Let me clear my throat. Okay, you know what? I'm fibbing. By the time this video goes up, it will in fact be Gemini season. So happy Gemini season! It's going to be my 45th birthday on June 8th, and something really exciting is happening and launching. So stick around, stay tuned, and check the description box down below for the giveaway. Oh, I am just way full of energy. Okay. Check me out on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs for Curvy Girl fashion hauls over there, and then Hotmess in the Kitchen, where I'm never in the kitchen. Gonna change the name of the channel. Anyways, until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.